Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today I'm going to walk you through how to fix a Shopify payment on hold in 2025. The first step you need to take is review any emails from Shopify or banners in your Shopify admin dashboard. These notifications will specify the exact reason for the payment hold and the steps you need to take. This is the most direct and crucial information. If the hold is due to incomplete business verification, promptly submit all requested documents. Ensure they are clear, complete, and legible. And common requirements might include accurate tax information, legal business name and address, identification documents like government issued ID, EIN or TIN. Bank account details also. Then, if the notification doesn't provide enough clarity or after submitting the required information, you can contact Shopify support directly. You can do this through their live chat for real-time updates and immediate assistance, or through phone support for potentially faster escalation. So be prepared to clearly explain the situation and provide any reference numbers from previous communications. Now, you need to consider some things. There are some reasons for holds. Payment holds are common and can occur for various reasons, including unusual sales pattern. It's a sudden spike in sale or order from new regions. Also, frequent chargebacks, disputes, or suspected frauds can cause it. Incomplete business verification, missing or incorrect or inaccurate business details causes it also. Violation of Shopify's policies selling prohibited items can also lead to it. Shopify payments accounts also undergo periodic reviews. This can also be a reason. Don't wait for Shopify to contact you multiple times. Reach out proactively to confirm they have received your documents and to understand the next steps. Always provide truthful and accurate information to avoid delays or complications. Ensure your stock policies, refunds, returns, shipping are clear and compliant with Shopify's terms. Also ensure your product descriptions are accurate. Follow these steps and promptly address any request from Shopify, and you should be able to resolve the payment hold efficiently. See you in the next video. Bye.